Today, I'm working solo. That's nothing new. But I'm setting up all the audio for a small conference, which I don't always do. We have a live band, presentations, and a speaker panel. And in this video, I'll show you how I set up the whole thing.
You Michael? Yeah, it's good to meet you, dude.
This is Michael. He's the guy who hired me to make this room sound good.
Yeah, just like the plot, but just, okay.
So that's my job for the day. Make this boring room sound cool. And if you've ever wondered what it's like to set up and tear down for a small conference, then this might be the video for you.
And that would get it, and the TVs are gonna be right here.
All right,
Get it
Connor,
out of the way.
nice
Nice to meet you.
TVs.
It would just be like not symmetrical, if you're cool with that.
So sit back, relax, and watch me figure out whatever the hell I need to do to make this work.
Cool. We'll go get started.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Nah, we're gonna do it like that. I mean, could go right here. Maybe we will use the center fill. All right. Oh. What? Yeah, tape those in there. I'm just looking.
Dude, the first time I watched that, I thought my call was preferred.
Yeah. All right, let's get these speakers stands up so they can see what that's going to look like. Yeah, probably. Pivot. Good idea. That's better. Let's see. We're just gonna weigh it down and it should be fine. Woo! It is hot.
Hello.
All right. We'll need to get the weights out later. Well, what? Part of the job. I can put the speaker closer to the stage but it seemed like it was just gonna block traffic.
Let's line it up.
What do you think? Here? Just that? Yeah.
Just that, and then we'll put the TV
Yeah.
right here and angle it.
Can do, yeah, that's fine with me. Those are some casters for you. All right.
The ones that have a really great view to the back of the rack.
You do?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna use my 50-foot extension to go to this stage box. Yeah. This is a little bit of a rat's nest. We have two vocalists up front, background vocalists. And I guess a presenter right here, maybe? We'll figure this out. There's no way we're gonna be able to put cello in this. Yeah, this is very tight. Is there presenters up here as well? Yeah, it's just tight, but
We could put these.
you can put them down on the ground.
Put those two on the ground.
You bet, yeah.
And I bet that would be.
Yeah. Yeah. It'll be tight. I don't think that'll reflect anything. It won't. That'll be fine. Yeah. That's not bad. I'm just doing this one to see how it will be. All right. Good job. To be this long. All right. I don't even know if this is gonna get used. So it just doesn't look very good. Please let 15 feet be enough.
Definitely enough.
All right, this is gonna be the one that's gonna be the most dangerous. This is just a glorified extension cord at this point. You're good. All right, sweet. Yeah, these take a while. You can fix it later. That's not true. I can just put it here. Yeah, it's got a second outlet. Let's go ahead and tape that. I feel like this is quite a bit out of order. What do you think?
I feel like it's definitely loud. What's next?
This. Vox full. Now we're gonna the Vox vocals. I mean this like presentation, the wireless mic. I did not. Check. Hey hey.
I see it.
Hey 1 2. Hey check 1 2. Hey hey. Hey check 1 2. Hey hey. 3 4. Hey hey. Raise them up. One more. Let's get that front fill going. It's not going to be pointed at them really, but whatever. Having a stage is always nice. All right, Mr. Front Fill.
These are the final touches of the setup, where everything comes together and I can start to see the light at the end of the tunnel.
I do fear that this is the only way we can do this and it not be a complete mess. Go under the stage with it.
Just plugging things in is the best. You figure out if there's any more problems you need to look for, and then the band comes and you figure everything else out.
Vox 1. Ho! Oh man, I like giving me flashbacks of getting here at probably like 2 if I was working for other people, just not having enough time at all. There it is. Hey, check 1 2. Hey, hey, hey. Check 1 2. I got one more monitor. Do you agree with they'll want to change all of this too? I have no idea where he's gonna be. Woo! You know?
Yeah.
Okay, now we gotta do his vocal. Yep. Now I know what that was from. Hey, 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 check 1 2, hey, 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 check 1 2. All right, shall we attempt to make it pretty?
The rack and all the antennas looked like crap on the side of the stage, so I decided to just move it. Took like 5 minutes.
Just trying to make it look more pretty. Beautiful. Said I think I have to run a line. How much butt crack are you getting? Nice. Check. Hey, hey, hey. What? All right, cool. I think that looks cleaner. So, oh yeah. Hey, check 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 hey.
We were thinking angle the keyboard this way. Yeah. So you kind of be facing out that way a little bit. That's fine. Yeah. Mic would be right there. Yeah, that's cool. And then we could have one singer. Yeah, from there. Well, once we move the podium, we can have one cello. Yeah. Yeah.
You guys have some line jacks?
Some what now?
Quarter inch line jacks?
Yeah, I got you hooked up right here out of your output.
Cool.
Let me know when you got all your settings right, and I'll get some gain on you. I already see stuff, so we're in a good spot.
You see action already?
A little bit, I did.
That's good. I played about that hard.
Okay. I just don't want to blow us over.
And I can definitely use the less monitor.
Okay. 4.
Hey, Tanya.
Bowing down and worship, sing the song to the
Just maybe some piano to cue off of, and
I don't think I'm
Okay.
very low maintenance.
okay, cool. I was a little worried about it.
No, I'm low maintenance.
Okay.
It's A-okay.
All right. Well, we'll get you cooking whenever you're ready.
Shit, Connor.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's key. I'll get you in a minute. And then I'm just gonna hit it right in here, and hopefully you have enough room for your bow. I'm gonna move this. All right, are you good right there?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Connor.
Yeah.
I used to do that with
You got it, man.
I will literally feed off the because we
Yeah.
have a lot of
Yeah. They're all on. Yeah.
Jesus at the center.
I'm really working.
Jesus at the center of it all.
Hey, listen, I can't go that fast.
Jesus, you from my
So I guess it takes a bunch of stuff to put on a conference even of this size, but it's fun, right? I don't know, I think it is. I'd even go as far to say that the actual show is the boring part. The part that really matters is everything that leads up to that point.
All right, cool. I'm just gonna
You know, what you do before anybody gets there. When you're all alone plugging things in. These kinds of gigs start out real fast. You're talking to people, making changes,
Change of plans. Well,
but they don't stay that way.
There's kind of tight, but
And then all of a sudden it's over. And you pack up and go home. Thank God.
So I'm gonna tie down these guys and then turn off everything and leave.
I'm definitely not even gonna put this in here because it's embarrassing. Good luck.